Guys, today we're talking about tangents, and you're going to need a straight edge for this. It'd be helpful. So if you want to stop the video and grab a straight edge, that's fine. So a tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the line at exactly 1 point. So exactly 1 point. The point of tangency for a line that intersects a circle in only 1 point, the point at which they intersect. The common tangent. So a line or segment that is tangent to two circles in the same plane. So this one, I could go here. I could go here. And I can go this way. So it's touching both circles. So this has 3 common tangents, 3 different ways. This one looks like it only has the 2. Here and here. This one is 2. This has none. And this one, this way. This way. This is tricky. How about this one? You have this way. This way. So you have 4 different ones, and then this one is just the one. Kind of interesting. All right. So let's get down to business here. Let's look at these. So what it's saying, in a plane, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if it's perpendicular. So perpendicularity again. So it would be tangent. Tangent. If perpendicular. Okay. The other thing here is if you extend these 2 lines, these 2 lines are going to be the same distance, and then you're going to end up with from here to the center, this is going to form 90-degree angles. Therefore, this and this will also be congruent. Okay? It's almost like those are just rays, aren't they? Not rays, but radiuses. And you know the radiuses are congruent anyway. All right, moving on. All right, so here you have this triangle, and you're trying to determine if it is tangent. So does it have this perpendicularity? So that means, is it a right triangle? How can we see if it's a right triangle? And if you're thinking Pythagorean theorem, yay for you. So let's check it. Here's a leg, and here's your hypotenuse. Make sure you understand that. So we have, does 20 squared plus 21 squared equal 29 squared? Punch it in our calculator. I'll do this side, then I'll do that side. 20 squared plus 21 squared is 841. 29 squared, 841. So the answer is yes. Okay. Here, we should know that these 2 are congruent. We're going to find x and x alone. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3. Minus 3x minus 3x plus 3 plus 3. 5 equals x. All right, moving along. These aren't too bad until you get here. It says, assume the segments that appear to be tangent are tangent. So we're assuming this is a 90-degree angle. So this would be our hypotenuse or our C. So you could do 15 squared plus 20 squared is equal to x or C squared. Right. 15 squared plus 20 squared, 625. Take the square root, take the square root, get rid of that squared. Square root of 625 is 25. Okay. Find x and the perimeter. So from here to here is 3. Since this is, these would be equal distance, by the way. So that's 1, that's 1. I'm going to get rid of him. He's getting my nerves. He's in the wrong place. Here to here's 6, so that's here to here is going to be 6. This is 2, that means this little guy's 2. So 2, 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Oh, what do we ask? Oh, find x. So x is 8. Okay. The perimeter, we have 2 times 3 plus 2 times 1. I know it seems redundant. Plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 2, which equals 24 units. Okay. Another one. Let's go ahead and label these. So these two are the same, so you know this one's 10. These two are going to be the same, so if this one's 2, then this one's 2. This whole thing is 8, that means this guy is 6, and then this guy's 6. This is very familiar. Okay. We have this round cookies are marketed in a triangular package to pique the consumer's interest. If the circle T is inscribed around the triangle, find the perimeter of QRS. So, same thing. 2 times 10 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 6. 36.